On Wednesday, October 20th, will be a GPS training for fishers. Fishers in relation to registered boat owners in 2021 who supply data to the Department of Marine Resources. As fishers go further and further distances and as they put more and more equipment in the marine environment, we would like them to keep a track of the location of these equipment. The Department of Marine Resources, in conjunction with the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Marine Resources, decided to do a GPS training for Fisherfolk. This also improves fisher safety. When they go at sea and they have engine trouble, they are able to take the GPS mark and notify the authorities as to where they are at any given point in time. We see that fishers from this training should be a bit safer in terms of applying their trade, and this will be done in Barcia at first, and then it will go to the other fishing communities. We would like registered boat owners who supply data to the Department of Marine Resources to come out and to participate in the training so that you can improve your safety at sea, as well as knowledge of where your various fishing devices are located. Thank you very much.